Hi friends, how are you? Hope you're doing good. Today's topic is on Excel, pivot table, and pie chart. Pivot table is a table which you can use to summarize your data. See, you can see in the screen that the sheet 3 which I've opened has got some data with serial number, fruit names, from where they came, which part of the country, and also the cost. So now I would like to make a summary out of it to know how many of these fruits came from different regions. And when I have that, I would like to make a chart out of it. The best possible chart would be pie chart because I would like to know the share of each state, and the share could be in terms of the numbers or in terms of percentage. So let's do that. It's very simple. Now I have the data. All I'm going to do is go to click here first on the serial number 1 and go to insert from the ribbon. Once I click insert, I can see pivot table. So I just click that pivot table and there is a box which is open, create pivot table. I simply click OK and I have on the right side pivot table field list. On the left side I have the pivot table where the table will be created. So here the serial number, fruits, from, and the cost, which were the headings on the data, has also shown here. So my requirement is to check from different states how many fruits are there. So I click here on the from and drag and drop on the row label. So I have in the row different states which is not repeated, it's only one time. And again I drag the same from and drop it in the values. Now you see I got the result, each state, and then how many times the state has been repeated, which is basically each state. East has got 2 fruits, north has got 4 fruits, south 3, and west 1, total 10 fruits. So we got this result from the data in the sheet 7. Now my requirement is to represent it in a form of a chart. So all I'm going to do is like click from row A3 till this table. I'm not taking the total, I'm just dragging it till here, and then again go to insert pie chart. So once I click pie chart, I can choose whichever model I want. I like this model. Okay, now I have the table, pivot table. Now I have the chart as well. So let's select a suitable pie chart. Okay, I go to design and then I have chosen this one, so which is a 3D graphical representation of my table, but I need some data here as well. So I go to the options available here and I have chosen this one. So now you see I have the pie chart with 40% from the north, 30% from south, 10% west, and 20% east. So we can easily know that, okay, what is the percentage share of these fruits from different states. This pie chart you can easily copy using Ctrl C and paste into your PowerPoint presentation. Hope this was useful for you. Thank you.